Hello student, in the last section we learned introduction of Illustrator and we also covered some basic drawing tool and fill color and stroke properties. But in this section we learned some advanced drawing and shape creation tool. So I start from this tool group. So I right click on this and click on this small arrow to expand these tools and place here. First tool in this tool group is Shaper tool and the keyboard shortcut of this tool is also mentioned here. By pressing Shift N you can activate this tool, but we will discuss about this tool in later class. So first tool is Pencil tool and the keyboard shortcut is N. I click on this to activate. By default fill color is none and outline color is black. You can create line by using this tool like this, so it create a very smooth line. Now I try to create a little bit rough line like this. When I release mouse, line will create very smooth. If you want to increase this smoothness, double click on this tool. Pencil tool option dialog box will display and the first parameter in this section is fidelity and the slider is by default set in the mid. If you want to increase smoothness, move this in the right side like this and then click on the OK button. And then try to create a line with little bit roughness like this. So when you release your mouse, the path is created with very smoothness. Now I double click on this tool and there are some options available. And the important option is close path when and are within 15 pixels. You can increase this value or decrease this value. I click on the OK button. Now I try to create a close path like this. When I reach to start point, a small circle will appear. It means when I release this mouse, this path will close like this. Now I double click on this tool again and reset this and then click on the OK button. This time I create a zigzag line like this. Second tool in this group is a smooth tool. So first I click on this to activate. The icon of this tool look like a brush. I zoom little bit. There is a sharp point. If you want to turn this sharp point to smooth point, so click and drag like this. So it will convert into a smooth point. Click and drag in the down direction. So it will convert into a smooth point, but you have to click and drag too many times. But we have another method to create a smoothness with 1 or 2 click. I switch to direct selection tool and then select this point. A pin will appear. When you click and drag, a curvature will create with 1 or 2 points. So it's very fast and easy. Third tool in this group is path eraser tool. If you want to erase a path between 2 points, you can use this tool. So first I click on this to activate, then click and drag like this and path will be deleted. I show you again, click and hold and then drag like this, path will be deleted. But we also have another method to delete this path. I switch to direct selection tool and then select this path. Actually there is no extra point, so I have to create a extra point by add anchor point tool. So I click on this, point will be added like this, then switch to direct selection tool and click and drag, path will be selected, then delete. So it's a alternate method to delete segments. And the last tool is join tool. If you want to join these segment, you can use this tool. So first I click and activate this, then click and drag and create a thick line. When you release this mouse, a joint is created like this. So it's also a very easy. If you click and drag and create a selection like this, but path will be created in a straight form. We have an alternate option to create join. So first I create a open path like this, then switch to direct selection tool and then select these points, then right click and tool name is join tool, and you can also access this tool in object, path and joint. The shortcut of this tool is Ctrl J, but I activate this tool from the right click menu, click on the joint. So a joint is created here. If you didn't want to add this extra segment, so first undo, then select this point, then right click and tool name is average. When you click on this, these points shift in the mid position like this. click on the both radio button and then click on the OK button like this. Then right click and choose join tool. So this point is joined now. By click on this handle, you can control the curvature of this path like this. Now we discuss about shaper tool. First I click on this to activate. Shaper tool creates shape by pen tablet or mouse clicks. So if you want to create a circle, just click and drag on the screen like this. When you release your mouse, the shape convert into a circle like this. If you want to create a triangle, so click and drag like this. So this will convert into a perfect triangle. And if you want to create a polygon, so first click and drag like this. I create little bit weird shape. So this will convert into a polygon shape. If you want to create a square, so click and drag and it will convert into a square. Or you can also create a rectangle by using this like this. So this tool can create basic shape like square, rectangle, triangle, circle or polygons. And if you want to create some complex shape like a fish, so this will not possible by using this. So you will not get any result. And the second use of this shape is reshaping. By using this you can create complex shape. So first I switch to selection tool and then overlap these shapes like this. If you want to merge these shape, choose shaper tool. No need to select this shape. And if you want to kill this line, create a zigzag line like this. So this line will gone. But when you hover your mouse, this line will show. Same as I try to reshape this pentagon also. Choose shaper tool and this time I create zigzag line here. So this line will kill and shape will merge. If you create shape by rectangle tool like this, and if you want to merge them, first deselect them, then choose shaper tool and then create zigzag line. So this line will gone. So you can also apply this tool on these all shapes. So it's all for this class. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.